Welcome back, everybody, to Bar Run Forge. It's Troy, and it's another Monday morning tool video. Today, we're going to make a mild steel hammer out of this billet of mild steel. This billet is 4 inches or 100 millimeters by 1 3/4 inches across, which is 45 millimeters. I don't know what the weight is, really doesn't matter a whole lot. It's about what we need. And the only purpose for this hammer is just for striking punches, chisels, things like that, so that we don't damage the tool. We've been in need of one of these for a long time, so we're going to make one. And to do that, we're going to need a couple tools. First tool is a hammer eye punch. It's got a V point on it, and it'll punch the hole in a little slug out of the hammer billet. And then we need a hammer eye drift. And in the process, we're going to go to the swedge block to set the hammer eye drift in, and then we'll come back up to the anvil, and then we'll put a handle on it. No major ordeal here. There will be no heat treatment, no real major finish on the face. It is just for striking. So let's get to it. The first thing we're going to do is find our center dot and set the punch in it one time. Good. Go ahead. All right. Go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead. Drive it. Grab it. You're off. Twist. Yep. All right. All right, so we've got that established. I'm kind of happy with that. We're going to do a couple more hits here to go ahead and just set it down in there. One more. And I'm turning to try to keep everything centered. Yep. One more. All right, and we can heat it up good again, and we'll bring it out, drive it in there. Yep. 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 Grab it. Grab it. One more. Yep. 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 Do one more. Yep. Yep. One more. Well, we've gotten to the point where we are moving the plug inside. We've punched on both sides, and there is a plug ready to come out. So it should be this heat. We'll punch through, and then we'll start putting the drift in. Yep. Yep. Wants to.
Yeah. Yep. Yep. Yep.
Now we're through.
Yep. There it is.
The eye is punched. You can see through there. It's got a little bit of rag in it. So we're going to take the punch through and drift it out a little bit, smooth that up. Then we'll start putting the actual drift in the hole, get it to the shape we want.
Yeah. Yeah.
Use this.
Put it in there. Put this. Yep.
There you go. Well, we've completed the hammer head itself. We've got the touch mark in there. Eye is drifted. Everything is all set up. We did a little bit of grind on the end. It's not really going to matter. Again, this is just for striking punches and chisels, and it's mild steel, so it's going to deform at some point in time. So now we need to put a handle on it. A little bit more, and I'm not really worried about these little curly cues out of there. Again, this is a mild steel hammer, so it's not going to matter. And we're getting from the other end to use inertia to drive the handle through the hammerhead, and I'm pretty happy with that. So now we'll drive a wedge in there, and then probably put a steel wedge in it as well, and that will be the end of it. A little bit of glue. Bit of glue there, and insert the wedge, and then we'll drive it from here, turn it, making sure we keep the handle in there. Couple of strikes here. And drive it home from here. Okay, that's pretty tight in there. We'll trim the excess off and then put in the metal wedge. All right, with the excess ground down, we're going to put the steel wedge right here in the middle. We go. Wood wedge, steel wedge. That's a usable hammer. We have completed our very first hammer in the shop, and it is a mild steel hammer. You can see we've completed it by attaching a handle, charring the handle, put some boiled linseed oil on it, and that's it. We have a mild steel hammer. We want to thank you guys so much for joining in and watching another one of our Monday morning tool series, and we look forward to the next one that we do for you. And thank you guys for coming in. God bless you all. We'll see you on the next one. Take care.